Albuquerque. They're having a graduation celebration, it looks like. That's fine, I'm just doing a little video clip as we walk by. Most all the shops are closed, looks like.
But this is kind of a it's where out-of-towners go more so than people who live here.
Sure.
So maybe that's what affects.
Old Town, how do you say that?
Kokopelli.
Kokopelli Cafe.
Old Indian folklore, and see that, like a dancing, this is typical of the Kokopelli, playing the flute.
I'd love to learn how to play one of those things.
Yeah.
I love the sound of them.
Oh, I do too. Kind of a neat back in here. Their shops there.
Okay.
They used to be open. Oh, Breaking Bad tour.
Pick a Breaking Bad
I
tour.
was into that series big time.
I never got into it.
Oh. It was a little bit, it got pretty raw.
This is a pretty little courtyard.
Oh, it is, isn't it? Yeah, in this old town, there's kind of nooks and crannies.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Quite lovely. What kind of tree is this, Steve? Do you have any idea? Do you know what kind of tree this is?
I don't. I don't see that one very often.
That's pretty. Got some pretty blooms on it.
Flowers. That's cool.
Yeah.
Well, that's not. There are a lot of.
There's a taller one there.
Yeah. There's a lot of high desert trees in New Mexico that have the small, thin leaves, but this one I've never seen before. It's certainly not common.
Very cool. Look at the chilies out to dry.
What's that?
These chilies hanging on the
Oh, yeah.
little portico.
That's so common. Because you don't have time to go to town. Neat old Mexican town.
Closed.
You like crepes?
I do like crepes, but doesn't look like we'll get any today. There's another pretty bush.
Yeah. Wow.
It's gorgeous.
It is. Yeah.
think our walkway ends here, huh? Such pretty art just on the outside of the buildings.
I know.
They're still honking horns.
Yeah.
Must be a small parish school because
I think it is. Yeah.
they've already handed out diplomas in there. And they've already departed. Yeah. Look at the little balloon wind art. Top of a chapel over there.
This is pretty back there too.
Okay. So pretty.
Yeah.